Thank you, Dr. Rati. Hope you all feeling positive with our first presentation. I am continuing with my PPT. Here goes my PPT. First, mainly this online course focuses on life and its blessed journey. Here, man is responsible for his comfortable and uncomfortable life because he can't able to blame others. He has light in himself and the brushes with him to draw either a dark world or bright world. So long as life remains in the body, our whole life is struggling to serve our ideal and with pure hearted. Here, while wishing goodness from everyone and by realizing this present life as a blessed journey, we must be ready to love and serve others. So here Mahatria Ra 37 says, if you spend a few sleepless nights now, you will sleep well for the rest of your life. Don't sleep too much now and be sleepless for the rest of your life. If you are going to be tough on yourself, life will be infinitely easy on you. With these notes, we are moving to our next slide. Here, Shakespeare in Macbeth also says this life is surrounded with little sleep, spending too much of time to sleep. We should never mind what others say. Infinite strength is behind everyone. You all know very well. Life is no brief candle to me. It's sort of splendid torch which I have got to hold up for the moment and I want to make it burn as brightly as possible before handling it on to future generations, said by G.B. Shah. Here we are comparing extraordinary life and ordinary life. We all know how our ordinary life is, how we have to change this life into an extraordinary life. Before long sleep, we must try to brighten our life and others' life. We all can be hero if we choose, and it just isn't that hard. Comes from taking little steps, consistently comes from making a few small chips against everything in your professional and personal life that is ordinary, so that a day eventually arrives when all that's left is the extraordinary, said by Robin Sharma. The power of mind. Yeah, there is a equation, there is a formula to achieve our goal. Power of spiritual force plus power of mind will leads to goal. Be patient enough. Accept the reality. Everything has happened only for our best results. God have special thing about us on his mind. Sow or plant good thoughts minus subconscious mind. We must try to keep the youth in us alive. Yes, of course, to unload the burden of expectations, not to wait for a miracle, to stop failure by attempting again and again, to be unique to find a solution to the problem, to feel that the power of mind is within us and do not try to search for it anywhere else. By controlling thoughts, light dispels darkness, higher sublime thought, a beam of light, clears the dark clouds of wickedness thoughts. Here we have to concentrate, we have to devote ourselves to work, both physical and mental. Keep our mind always fixed. The mind thus trained will not find much difficulty in fixing itself upon the holy feet. Here the concentration comes. The concentration is a very good thing to develop the mind power. Devote yourself to work, both physical and mental. Okay. Then in this new technology, here now we are in the technological era. We have to plan little more and have a very good foresight. try to improve the standard of living and the quality of life. It is our responsibility to do something great in this blessed life, especially to help the needy. This COVID situation have taken us to this situation because we are helping the needy. We are searching for the needed people and we are going and helping them. So living enthusiastically each day creates a positive effect. After that, now I want to share something to overcome this time. How the learners, most number of students or academicians or struggling with this time war. So we can engage ourselves with this gamification. So much of gamification apps are there to engage ourselves. Few gamification tools are given in this slide: Gymkit, quizzes, bookwits, bookwidgets.com, meeting pulse, and Vivox, Slido, and Tiny Cards. Here I am going to give a small demo on this Tiny Cards. See, this Tiny Cards is very helpful, and students yourself can also able to design yourself. Okay, here see, tinycards.duolingo.com. If you enter this in address bar, you will get this type of page. Then you have to, I have created, for example, I have created a small card for playing today. There are types of scooter, so you can play with your friends. Like if you click like this, I have created that new card. I have clicked, I have shown that the electric scooter. So I'm searching for, if I'm clicking like this, I'm getting Honda e-scooter. Okay, then I have to enter. Then I am seeing this, we all know this is a Vespa. If you are given like this, means if I'm clicking, I will get the answer. So like the tarot card, we are having this Tiny Cards. You can play with your friends, you can engage with your friends by getting new vocabs, and you can, with the help of pictures also, you can do this type of engagements. Thank you, students. Thank you all the academicians who all participated in this. Thank you so much.